Sup guys, Juggalo here. Today we're going to talk about the Kindle Fire. You can get it for $199. So it's pretty much in the price range I was looking for a little tablet. I think it is a good price point. The only accessory you get with this is the charger itself, and that is it. Any screen protectors or like a little cover for it, you're going to have to get it yourself. Alright. You have two speakers at the top, like so. Let me turn on my flashlight. There we go. You have two speakers at the top, and then at the bottom you have your headphone jack, USB, and your power button. 1024 by 600 is the resolution. You have 8 gigs internal memory, 6 gigs usable for applications and everything like that. To turn it on, you just hit the power button right here, and there we go. Here's the startup screen, and you need to have a wireless connection available for your Kindle Fire. If not, you won't be able to basically use the device at all. So if you do want 3G, you're going to have to get the older Kindle devices instead of the Kindle Fire. Just let it load up real quick. Alright, here's the main screen right here. When you get the device, pretty much it's exactly like this, and then once you slide your finger across, it'll go in and say, do you want to register your product, and it automatically looks for an internet connection via wireless. So you type in your wireless settings, hit enter, links up to it, you register the product. It's pretty easy. But this right here is the main screen, so let me go ahead and zoom up on that. And here is the main feature right here. Pretty much this is all your applications or movies that would be right here. Alright. And if you want to move an application or get rid of an application completely, all you have to do is hold the bottom, hold the bottom, and then it will say add to favorites, remove from carousel, or remove from device. So that's how you do that. Alright, now you have newsstand, books, music, video, docs, apps, and web, going from left to right. You also have your settings here, little gear. Once you hit that little gear, it'll drop down to the menu. So let me go ahead and zoom up on that. And this is where you can change your settings for your volume, your brightness, your Wi-Fi. You have sync in case you want some of the applications that you don't want right away but you can use later. And you have the cloud. Alright, you hit the plus button for more settings, and pretty much this has everything you want, like help, feedback, my account, restrictions, sounds display, all that fun stuff, date and time. And this is also where you would update your device as well. You would click on device, and then if there was an update, you would click right here and it'll say update device, blah 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 blah. Alright, so we'll go back to home. We'll go for the American Dictionary, since that's the only thing I have right now. And here it is. This is what it looks like, and you just scroll from right to left to go to the next page and everything. It's easy on the eyes. You can control the brightness as always. Very easy to use. This is very user friendly, so if you have a person that isn't really techie, they should be able to use this device without any problems. Also, if you want to go to your main screen, all you have to do is just tap the bottom, and then you can adjust the settings if you want, and then you can hit home right here or adjust your text. So go ahead and hit home. We're going to go ahead and use the web. Alright, and here's the web right here. Nice and fluent. Alright, and then let's go, for example, overclock.net, and I have it as it was when you first get it out of the box, and it has basically mobile display for your internet on here. And then if you want your desktop, a standard desktop view, you can select that. You have to go through your settings. Okay, so here it is right here. Let me go ahead and zoom up a little bit so you guys can see. Or if not, I'll just make the text bigger. That'll probably be a little easier. So, pretty easy, nice to navigate, easy on the eyes. Also, these speakers are really loud in my opinion. So let me go to a video. So, go here. Let's go to youtube.com. And I'll use one of my videos so I don't do any copyright infringing, whatever you want to call it. So let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go to a video where I don't talk much because I don't like the sound of my own voice. I'm thinking that's pretty much everybody else's opinion. They don't like to hear their own voice. Alright, let's see the Quad SLI benchmark. Alright, it's going to go ahead and load. And it should start playing, hopefully. What's up, guys? Juggalo here. Here's Batman Arkham City. And there was a minor update that happened 2 days ago. So we're going to go ahead and run up benchmark, and you'll see the 3-screen. Goodness, 6,144. Let's go ahead and fast forward it. 1,152, I believe. Okay, there we go. We're at 55 frames per second right now, 61. So, it's a pretty good little device in my opinion. 40s, go ahead and go home. But the speakers, in my opinion, are quite loud. So, even if you're deaf, you'll be able to hear any kind of video, music, and so on and so forth. Of course, you have Facebook. Facebook is pretty much everywhere on any device. This comes preloaded. The only thing I don't like about this device so far is I would like the icons to be uniform on it. That's just my opinion, just make everything nice and even. Also, if I go to web and then I go to bookmarks, and some of them are already preloaded on here. Craigslist, ESPN, Facebook, Google, IMOB, and then a couple other web pages on here are already integrated, bookmarked on the device. Yes, you can delete them, but I don't see the purpose of having them bookmarked on here, and it's quite annoying in my opinion. So that means I just have to take time to delete them, which I shouldn't have to. That's just my opinion. Okay? Now, maybe later on they might come out with a Kindle Fire that has 3G as well, so you can be more mobile if you're traveling and everything like that. But again, with this device, you will have to have a Wi-Fi connection to get any kind of content on here. Alright? It's using the Android operating system, and the web browser is the Amazon Silk. And I don't have any applications really at all except for like Angry Birds and Fruit Ninja, I guess. So let me go back to home real quick. Apps. Alright. I have Netflix and Pandora and all that fun stuff, so I'll show you Fruit Ninja real quick. And a tablet's not really meant to be used for games, but people like it anyway. So let me go ahead and get rid of this crap. Alright, and that's the device right there. I'm just showing you how responsive it is and everything like that. If you guys want to see any more features from this device, please let me know. Comment, subscribe, rate this video, click that like button. You guys have a great day. Bye.